Hi, my name is Grace Kazare, and I am presenting for a discussion board. So when I grow up, I'd like to be a lawyer. Some of the duties in the description for it is advise and represent clients in courts, communicate with my clients, and then everyone involved in the case, and conduct research and analysis of legal problems. Another thing I'll be doing is when people are on the stand, I'll be trying to prove their innocence or guilt, and being able to know how the brain works and how to sway someone to say something based on what I know about them will be really helpful as a lawyer. So I will need 7 years of schooling after high school. Right now at BYUI, I'm doing my 4 years of undergraduate, and then 3 years, and then for 3 years I will be doing law school. I'll be needing to get a Juris Doctor degree from a school accredited by the ABA. So I'll be doing school for 7 years. I'll be getting my Bachelor of Science degree in psychology, and then I will be applying to law schools. So all of this ties into my 4-year plan because all I have to do is abide to that 4-year plan, do my best in school, and then graduate and start applying to law schools. So the first picture on the left is me and my family. The only person missing is my sister-in-law. She's married to my brother on the very left, and she was just running late. The picture next, and then up to the right, is of me and my little sister. Then under that is me and my older sister, and then the one on the right is me with my brother. These are the 3 I grew up with. My siblings are very spaced out, the oldest being 23 and the youngest being 4. So why do I want to do my major in psychology and be a lawyer? I just think psychology is super fascinating, and we're continually learning more and more about the brain, and there's just so much undiscovered. I have always been fascinated with lawyers and detectives, and I would just love to be able to crack a case and be able to prove to people if someone is innocent and guilty, and just try to make the world a safer and better place. And getting to know how the brain functions will really help me in that. So I only had a couple things that were similar in chapter 13. I want to figure myself out and have a very strong interest in the subject matter of psychology. I also have a couple differences. I want to be able to help the victims by using psychology on them and the people who have been negatively impacting them. And I think the brain is just so fascinating. Thank you for listening.